Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, let's learn how to create a slide deck automatically using Google NotebookLM. No PowerPoint design, no manual slide creation, no copy pasting content. Just upload your material and NotebookLM builds the presentation for you. Let's start from zero and do this step by step. First, let's open NotebookLM in the browser. On the home page, let's click Create New. A new notebook opens. At the top, let's rename it. For example, AI Concepts Slide Deck. Now remember this rule, NotebookLM creates slide decks only from the sources we add. So let's add our content. On the left side in the sources panel, let's click Add Sources. We can upload PDFs, add article links, paste copied text, or even add YouTube videos. For this demo, let's add a PDF file that contains notes about AI. Click on Upload Files, select the PDF file and upload it. Once the source is added, NotebookLM reads and understands the material. Now let's generate the slide deck. Move to the right side to the Studio panel. Here let's click Slide Deck. As soon as we click it, NotebookLM analyzes our content. It identifies main topics, key points and supporting details. Then it automatically organizes everything into a structured presentation. While it's generating, we can see the customization options. Let's click the pencil icon. Here we can choose the format. If we want detailed slides with full explanations, let's choose Detailed Deck. If we want clean slides to present live, let's choose Presenter Slides. Next we can select the language. We can also choose the length, short, default or long. And we can add a prompt, for example, create slides for beginners with simple examples. Now let's close this and wait for the deck to finish generating. Once it's ready, the slide deck appears inside the Studio panel. Let's click to open it. Now we can scroll through the slides, start a full screen slideshow, or review each slide one by one. If we want to share it, we can use the share option, and if we want to keep it, we can download it as a PDF file. That's it. We just converted raw content into a complete slide deck using Google NotebookLM. This is perfect for students, teachers and professionals who want fast presentations without extra effort.